1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1600cc era correct AE twin port engine, 4-speed manual transmission. I'll get into the maintenance and service work that's been done to this in the past 8 years in just a second. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front bumper, headlights, surrounds. Bright yellow exterior, black vinyl interior, and you can see yellow paint has a nice shine to it. What a fun summer car. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Slotted steel wheels, Volkswagen wheel cover. A little scuff on this front right one, as you can see. All right. Previous owners of this car had it for 8 years. It's time to part with it. This is the service work they've done in that 8-year period while they owned it. Complete wiring harness, tires, front struts, rear shocks, tie rods, ball joints, fuel and vacuum hoses, rebuilt the carb, front disc brake conversion, master cylinder, brake hoses, rear wheel cylinder, and brake shoes. Now I'm going to start this up, let you hear it run. I've never had a Volkswagen in here that fires up like this one does. It almost starts right before you turn the key. That's how quick it is. You turn the key, this thing fires right up. Smooth running vehicle. As you can see, the paint down the passenger side, also in nice shape, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Service notes on this from the technician that drove it. Brakes nice and straight, rides smooth, wipers work. The only thing he really mentioned was the horn was in op. So black vinyl top, and of course that is a manual top. I'll fold it up, we'll latch it up, roll the windows up, show you how that looks, check out the condition. Of course, air-cooled rear-mounted engine. We're going to take a look at that while it's running in just a bit. First, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You're going to be able to see the underside, top up, top down, storage compartment in the front, engine bay in the back. If you like these V-dubs, whether it's a Beetle, a van, a camper, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. I had to leave this little bee on here, but that can be taken off by the next owner if they'd like. I thought it looked cute on there. All right, vinyl interior, seat belts intact, no rips, tears, or holes in the back seat. Of course, you're going to have the belts from right here coming up to the front. So seat belts intact in the front also. Radio is working. It's an aftermarket style radio. Notice there's a little bit of mending done with some electrical tape right there in the door panel. Vinyl seats up front, also nice shape. And actually comfortable. All right, let's fire this thing up. I want to show you how easy this starts. And when I say fires right up, it fires right up. All right, key in the ignition. Watch this. Fires right up. Radio working. If I get the right knob. Dash looks good. Fuel gauge is working. This thing sounds good too. Nice, clean engine bay. the Aerocorrect AE twin port engine. Let's go ahead and get this convertible top folded up, latched up, windows rolled up, check out the condition of that, and we'll have Jason take it for a drive. And the convertible top up, latched up front, nice tight fit above the windshield. Actually, this seals up very nice. Side windows also. So black vinyl. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Looks like a newer top. Also just in very nice shape. Nice tight fit. Side glass over here on the passenger side, sealed up nice between the front and rear glass. And again, no rips, tears, holes, nice tight fit. Above the windshield. And I want to show you this too. Also, headliner in it, very nice shape. Nice car for the money. A lot of, oh, that door closes. A lot of summer fun here. I don't think this one will stick around too long. Speaking of sticking around, Jason's going to take it for a drive. 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1971 Volkswagen Beetle in bright yellow. One of the more perfect colors for this car. Eye-catching. This is a 4-speed manual on the floor. I cannot hear or see the turn signal indicators. Nice sounding Volkswagen. They all run pretty smoothly. This one started up instantly with a twitch of the key. Working very well. The horn works. Wipers also work on this car. This is a convertible, if I have not mentioned that. We do have a top up today. Convertible Beetles, not that common. Our fuel gauge shows a little over half a tank. We're doing 50 miles an hour. That feels about right. On the speedometer. Not a lot of gauges supplied by Volkswagen. Then again, that's less to worry about. Nice condition, seats, vinyl factory looking seats, comfortable, bucket seats, and a bench in the rear. Shifting down to third. Let's go on around about a third and see how that goes. Oh yeah, it's torquey enough, it doesn't even mind. Doing almost 25 miles an hour in the corner. Leans as much as you'd expect for a Beetle. Very easy to steer and nice cornering. One of the more fun cars, I was going to say of the 60s, but they ran many decades. And this is a 71. Volkswagen Beetle. Take a look at all the pictures of this car over at uniqueclassiccars.com.